Does the constitutional lawyer who sits in the Oval Office agree with the Supreme Court premise that companies have freedom of speech and companies have freedom of religion?
Well, as you've heard, and I think, well, as the constitutional lawyer who sits in the Oval Office would tell you, is he would read the entire decision before he passed judgment in terms of his own legal analysis. What we have been able to assess so far, based on the preliminary reading of that decision, is that there is a problem that has been exposed, which is that there are now a group of women of an indeterminate size who no longer have access to free contraceptive coverage simply because of some religious views that are held not by them necessarily, but by their bosses. We disagree, and the constitutional lawyer in the Oval Office disagrees with that conclusion from the court. And that's why we, primarily because he's concerned about the impact that it could have on the health of those women. Ultimately, that the goal of the Affordable Care Act, remember, was to provide greater freedom to Americans to allow them to make more decisions and have access to more options as they seek health care coverage. And that's the source of the concern that we have, and that's the problem that we want Congress to fix. In terms of the broader legal analysis, that's something that we'll get to.
Okay.